So I decided to do a little walk around here of my new Gorton 8.5D vertical mill I picked up off Craigslist. I just got her off the trailer yesterday. Still not in position in the shop. Still have the 1-inch pipe rollers underneath it to move it around. Just kind of showing her off. Under that bottom cover in the back, I pulled it off. There is a pump in there. It does come on. At the owner's house, we powered it up, but there's not enough fluid in there to do anything. Hoping that works. This is the control panel. You've got 3 motors. You've got the main spindle motor, motor on the knee for X and Y axis, and also the pump motor is controlled from here. There's one other motor. Didn't come original. It's a little Harbor Freight copy of a Bridgeport drive. And this, previous owner hooked it up to the knee lift. This is slick. This is 120, so I just plugged it in to play with it. I love it. Did a nice job of mounting it. Almost looks original. Table. Gooey, greasy. Means it's not, shouldn't be rusty under there. Haven't cleaned anything yet. The ways look normal. I don't have my handles handy to show the slop in it, but you get about 1/4 of a turn before it bites. I think it was the same on the X. Little less before it engages. Looks like a Enco vise to me. We've got manual and power down feed here, and also drill press type quill handles, one on each side. On top, there's no back gear, just pulleys. This is spindle brake. Bumping my chain bucket right now. But we powered it up before we moved it out, and it didn't make any funny noises. The bearings sounded good. I think she'll be a good machine. Uses Browne Sharp 9 spindle. Came with about a dozen or so tools, tool holders. I plan to get a collet set for it also. Just a neat little machine. Kind of hard to see under all that grime, but that's one of the speed control for the X and Y axis. X and Y has its own drive motor, which is over here. I believe that's just a 1/4 horse if I read the specs right. This little lever, I don't know what that one is yet. I'll have to figure out. It looks like some kind of lever to engage. This is for engaging auto feed on your Y. This is your X. Your dogs. Just a nice setup. Can't wait to make some chips. See ya.